Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a powerhouse that's been turning heads across the industry. This is the Torque King. Just by the name, you already know this isn't your average vehicle. This is a machine built for dominance, raw, muscular, and engineered with performance at its core. So what exactly is the Torque King? Simply put, it's a performance-first SUV that delivers unmatched torque output in its class, aimed at those who want serious off-road power, high towing capacity, and a bold road presence. Whether you're hauling gear, climbing hills, or just want that rush of power under your foot, the Torque King promises to deliver. With a name like that, it's not just about horsepower. It's about that sheer pulling power that makes every drive feel like you're in control of something truly special. The first thing you notice is its exterior. It's aggressive and refined at the same time. The front grille is massive and carries a matte black finish, giving it a beastly, almost armored look. The LED headlights are narrow and piercing, with daytime running lights that form a menacing signature on the road. The hood is sculpted, hinting at the beast beneath, and the body lines flow seamlessly toward the rear. You've got big 20-inch all-terrain tires mounted on black alloy wheels, and the wheel arches are slightly flared, adding to the truck-like stance. Side steps come standard, and the rear features a dual exhaust setup with integrated diffusers. It's not trying to be sleek, it's trying to be unstoppable, and it pulls it off. When it comes to performance, the Torque King lives up to its name and then some. Under the hood, it boasts a 6.2-liter V8 engine that pumps out a massive 710 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 650 pound-feet of torque. That's right, this thing doesn't just move, it launches. 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds, which is insane for a full-size SUV. The torque delivery is immediate, and the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts like butter. Whether you're on pavement or gravel, it grips and goes. The Torque King also features adaptive suspension, which means it adjusts to whatever terrain you're on, giving you a smooth ride on the highway and a capable one off-road. Tow capacity, a whopping 8,200 pounds. So yeah, this isn't just a daily driver. It's a workhorse with a sports car's heart. Step inside and it's a whole different world. The interior is surprisingly refined, with luxury touches throughout. You're looking at premium leather seats with heating and cooling, a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, and a 10.5-inch infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a head-up display, wireless charging pad,